Good afternoon to all of you. I'm feeling very bad to note that we are locked down for more than 20 days. But at the same time, the situation is so bad. All over the world, the corona is taking away the millions of people's time and energy and enthusiasm. Anyway, we have to face the nature. We can't go against any of these calamities. This is also one such calamities which has made us to lock down in the house itself. Anyway, we will constructively utilize the time what is available with us. Accordingly, I would like to share some of my simple meanings, terms, concepts, clarities to my degree students. Today, I am going to take up stock market, meaning of the stock market, instruments of the stock market, why the concept of stock market came into being, how the stock markets are functioning in India. Stock markets are the places where shares are bought and sold, or the securities are bought and sold. Why the securities have to be bought and sold? You know, the individuals, human beings like us, when we earn money, we will not spend the money completely. We will save some money for the future because future is not known to us. Generally, some aggressive investors who are ready to take the risk, they will go to the stock market and invest the amount in the form of shares and securities, because these securities will yield more returns than the bank deposits and other types of investment instruments. Therefore, they go to the share market. And in the share market, in the primary market, directly they will apply to the shares to the company and they will buy the shares. In the secondary market, whoever is having the shares of earlier companies, such shares will be bought and sold. Why such opportunity was created by the system to the old investor to sell the shares? You see, when they invested the savings in the form of shares, after the investment, after 1 or 2 years, or after some time, if they want to take back the money what they have invested, there is no other alternative except to go to the stock market, because company, after taking the money from the investor through the shares, they will not be able to return that money because that money has already been invested in the company. That is the reason why the stock markets were established. And this concept emerged in the first in Bombay in the 18th century. And during that particular time, the old investors wanted to take back the money from the company, and that was how they searched for the new investor, and they were buying and selling the shares traditionally without any formal organizations. But after the number of transactions and the volume of money increased, the system forced to have an association. As a result of that, the stock exchange concept came into being, and the members are supposed to be identified as the brokers. Even today, the brokers are having the association, and even till today, we have to deal only with such brokers who have got the membership in the stock market. And the securities which are bought and sold in the stock markets are equity shares, preference shares, debentures, mutual funds, and varieties of mutual funds, varieties of equity shares that are being bought and sold in the market. And this earlier in the year 1948, after the post-independent period, this security market is being monitored, regulated, administered by Controller of Capital Issues, which was established in the year 1948. But during that particular period of time, a lot of confusions were happening because of the traditional system of trading, handling of share certificates in more number of times. All these problems were in existence. For that purpose, in the year 1991 and 1992, Security Exchange Board of India was established. After that, online system of trading has been introduced, and physical handling of share certificate was completely eliminated, and all the investors should open a demat account. Through that demat account, you have to buy the shares, sell the shares, add the shares, deduct the shares, show the balances accordingly, and settle the transactions digitally. Money transfers used to take place automatically without handling the notes as well as the share certificate. That has made the Indian stock market, like Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, which was established in the year 90s, And now today, all the investors are extremely happy because whatever is happening in the society, economy, world level, international level, politics, economics, ecological imbalances, all these things are shown in the stock market so that the investor can plan to buy, sell, and hold the securities as of today. Thank you. I will continue the session in the next video.